Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues in Michigan. Please subscribe to our channel. You know, grandparents play a very important role in helping raise the kids, sometimes more than others. Every now and then you'll have situations where the dynamic is such that the parents are really controlling the raising of the child. And grandparents see the kids every now and then, and that's fine. There are other family dynamics, though, at play here. Sometimes you have parents working and the kids are with the grandparents almost all the time. In effect, and we see this a lot in immigrant parts of our community as well, the grandparents are essentially raising those kids. Every now and then, though, it falls apart and the grandparents leave and they take the child with them. What do you do if that happens? Well, legally, unless there's guardianship or some order that allows the grandparents to have the kids, the grandparents don't have a right to pick up that child and leave the state or leave the area or not tell you where your kid is. If that happens, and there are orders in place that determine who the custody is with, you need to immediately go to the police and you need to tell them, I don't know what to tell you, the grandparents kidnapped little Billy. They're at large. The police will intervene. Because really that could technically be considered a crime. A lot of times when you involve police in a custody matter, they will not want to be overly committed to that. They will say your custody issues between father and mother are matters for the court. If the child is with dad and mom wants the child back, oftentimes the police will say, look, we're not going to take the child away from a parent, but they will take the child away from a grandparent or an uncle or some non-parent relative. So if you're in a situation where you believe that grandparents have fled with your child, you need to call the police. They in turn will reach out, and in more cases than not, the grandparents will just bring that child back. If they really feel there's something going on, they have some legal rights too. They can file a petition for guardianship or do something like that and try to get the court to hear them out. But more often than not, if there's something going on that's bad for the children, the other parent will step up and try to take the custody that way. Grandparents are really not part of that equation at that level. If you have any questions about that, reach out. Of course, we'll be glad to help you out.